How to operate the controls on the Gen21 heater cooler. The Gen21 is equipped with Fahrenheit and Celsius temperature scales. To change between these scales, press and hold the mode button until the display flashes. Pressing the timer button will cycle through the scales. Stop pressing the timer button once your preferred scale is displayed. The display will stop flashing in a few moments. You can continue normal operation of the heater after the display stops flashing. Auto on timer. With the heater turned off, press the timer button to select the number of hours you want the heater to wait until it powers on. You can select between 1 to 24 hours. The heater will power on at the last heat setting it was operated at. Auto off timer. With the heater turned on, press the timer button to select the number of hours you want the heater to operate before it turns off. You can select between 1 to 24 hours. To disengage the timer feature, simply press the power button or press the timer button until the timer is no longer indicated on the display. Air purification function, upgrade kit sold separately. The Gen21 can easily be upgraded to include air purification technology. To upgrade, look for the EdenPURE Air Purification Upgrade Kit, sold separately on EdenPURE.com. Follow the instructions included with the kit to install it inside the heater. Note: if the Gen21 is equipped with the air purification kit, the purification function cannot be turned off while the unit is running. It will always run in conjunction with the unit. Control panel functions. Mode button. The mode button cycles through the 3 operating modes. Low heat mode. Display, HL, 1000 watt operation. After selecting HL, use the up and down buttons to adjust the thermostat to the desired temperature. High heat mode. Display, HH, 1500 watt operation. After selecting HH, use the up and down buttons to adjust the thermostat to the desired temperature. Fan only mode. Display, F1 through F5. The Gen21 can also operate as a fan without producing heat. The 5 fan speeds are F5, the highest fan speed, F4, F3, F2, and F1, the lowest fan speed. Temperature settings. When operating in either HL or HH mode, use the up and down buttons to increase or decrease the thermostat setting. The thermostat is not active while operating in fan mode.